Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for your lid magnet. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing, causing the magnet to be loose. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we're going to be using for this repair. It's a GE. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do here is we're going to open up the lid for the washer, and this washer is actually missing a screw that's holding the magnet in place. So you can see here, this magnet is pretty loose. We don't want the magnet to be loose in here because that could cause the other screw to end up breaking, and if it breaks inside of the magnet, you'll have to replace the magnet as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our new screw. This is our OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So here's the hole where the screw goes. We're just going to make sure first off that the screw hole for the magnet lines up with that hole. And then we're going to take our new screw and we'll screw that in nice and tight. And once we've got that in nice and tight, we're just going to make sure the other one's tight as well. And now we can close the door and your repair is complete. And while I've got you here, one more corny joke for you. So what happened to the leopard that went into the washer? Came out spotless. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.